ट्रेन में नहीं आई।
वो आ गया मैं।
हाय हाय गाइस, व्हाट्स अप, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? मतलब अच्छे लग रहे हैं। You look pretty.
I know I'm always pretty.
Moving on, तो as you know कि हम लोग ने मतलब अब क्या चैनल तो शुरू कर दिया है, बट हमारे पास एब्सोल्युटली कोई आइडिया नहीं है हम क्या करने वाले हैं। कृति, इसके बारे में आपका कुछ कहना है?
मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि तुमने शुरू तो करने की कोशिश की है।
तेज बोलो, वहाँ तक आवाज़ नहीं जाती।
देखो, हमने कोशिश शुरू की है, इसको हम रोकेंगे नहीं।
हम नहीं रोकेंगे।
We will try to make sure that we make you laugh. We bring up topics that are interesting, that are relatable, and see how it goes.
Quite a good point. पर हम टॉपिक में करेंगे क्या?
That you will have to tell me. I'm just, here.
That means Kriti Agarwal has planned that she will be completely useless.
Correct.
Okay. So honestly guys, हम लोग के पास कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. But I have got a solution. It's not really a solution. I mean, I don't know what it is, but I have come up with an idea.
What idea?
थोड़ा देर हम पास हो ना तुम मेरे से दूर क्यों हो?
और पास. बस ज़्यादा हो गया आगे.
Okay, हाँ, sorry, ऐसे हम लोग को लड़का भी नहीं मिलेगा. Okay.
I want a लड़का. Not in that manner, but not in which manner. In how many manners do you want a लड़का? See, I want a long-term लड़का. Forever वाला लड़का. तुमसे forever हो पाएगा? That I'm not sure, but I have a wish that I should have a forever वाला लड़का.
Wish से आगे बढ़ते हैं. Wish.
What is that?
Okay. So what I have planned, I don't know. I mean, देखते हैं क्या होता है. But what I have planned.
See, I'm looking good.
So हमने क्या ना, हमने arrangement पूरा करके रखा.
हमारे पास ट्राइपॉड है, हमारे पास रिंग लाइट भी है, हमारे पास वो बेंड होने वाला ट्राइपॉड होता है ना, वो जो हमारे पास वो वाला भी ट्राइपॉड है. People are not able to understand whatever you are saying. Come to the point. The point is हमारे पास arrangement पूरा है, बस हमारे पास दो चीजों की कमी है, content और लैपटॉप.
टॉपिक ये है कि मैंने क्या सोचा है आज के लिए. आज का हमारा मुद्दा इज गोइंग टू कि हम अपना बकेट लिस्ट करते हैं.
What is bucket list?
बकेट लिस्ट इज कि आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या क्या अचीव करना चाहते हैं.
बहुत
So I have
कुछ.
got 2 parts in it. Okay, it's not just 1 part thing, it's a 2-part thing.
How much work do you want me to do, yaar?
You anyhow do not do any work in this household. At least do something in your life.
But it requires a lot of thought, right? It's
Use
not
your
like-
brain. Don't use your entire this.
What?
This
People are not seeing the
Entire-
this
entire your diva personality. बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं पीछे से तुम्हारे.
They are not able to see, na, to shut up.
I can see no.
How does it matter?
Okay, fine. Moving ahead. So I have got a 2-part thing. The first part is that we create 2 bucket lists. Yes. Both of us
Yeah.
will create 2 bucket lists. One bucket list is what we want in our life. Eventually, future में हम क्या चाहते हैं अपनी life से. And the second bucket list is कि हम इस YouTube पे क्या content डालेंगे. हम क्या क्या content डाल सकते हैं. हम अपने दिमाग से क्या क्या लेके डाल सकते हैं. हम ये दोनों चीज़ों का लिस्ट बनाएंगे. Let's see हमारे thoughts कहाँ तक जाते हैं और हम अपने आपको भी पता चलेगा कि हम अपनी लाइफ में कितनी फालतू चीज़ों के विशेस करते हैं. बट ठीक है, आई थिंक पुटिंग आउट विशेस आउट देयर इज हम कायनात को बता रहे हैं कि लिसन हमारे पास ये इच्छा है. आप प्लीज हेल्प अस कॉन्स्पायर अगेंस्ट अस एंड मेक आवर विशेस कम ट्रू.
ऐसे मत देखो, मैं सोच रही हूँ कि हमारे बकेट लिस्ट में होगा क्या. Because I am a
हाँ बोलो.
I don't know.
ओके, टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल, तुम दूर फोन मत देखो, तुम दूर में देखो. तुम फोन में ही अटक जाओगे तो तुम्हारा फ्यूचर नहीं तक रह जाएगा. तुम इससे परे जाके देखो.
इससे परे दीवार है, जाके क्या देखो.
अच्छा उधर ये बस इधर ही रुक जाओ.
अच्छा,
रुको तुम वापस क्यों आए. स्टे देयर. हाँ,
अब देखो, तुम चाहती हो कि तुम बहुत पैसे कमाओ, पंखा है. तुम्हारा फ्यूचर मुझे अभी से बहुत डार्क दिख रहा है. प्लीज अपने
papers
Oh my goodness.
and we have got pen. तो मैं कौन सा pen चुनूँ? Okay.
Yeah. Let's
So-
start. Name, place, animal thing खेलना है.
So my first wish is to travel the entire world. Like literally entire world.
Isn't that too stretched?
No. I want to travel the entire world.
Fine. Go ahead.
What is your first wish?
I want to sit in a helicopter.
Nice wish. I like it.
I can complete it too.
Okay.
Sometime in future. Next.
Your second, my wish. I want to learn my guitar and drums.
Good one.
Thanks. Your second wish.
I think it was your wish, but it also became my wish, to be honest, to see Northern Lights.
Northern Lights.
Yes.
Guys, those are beautiful. Normal चले क्या? My third wish is to learn dance. Not actually learn dance.
You already know dance.
I knew dance. मैं करती थी, लेकिन it's been ages जब मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया है. And I really want to resume it and learn it. Like take the effort and learn it because it takes a lot of effort.
Could you also help me learn? Can you give me classes?
I will first learn and then make you learn.
And that would also work.
Then I can do that. Okay, your wish. Up to you.
Helicopter हो गया, Northern Lights हो गया. These are the two things that I really wish. Although as of now it's not possible, but maybe in future it is possible. But at the moment, I want to really buy a car.
Buy a car. Which car? Do you have a car in mind? I mean, do you have a dream car? Let's just say.
Not a dream car, but I think I've set a budget. But I'm yet to decide a car. But honestly, I have to learn driving a car before buying a car. So
Why not keep learn driving also? Both of us. We need to learn to drive. Even I want to buy a car and I do have buy a car. And I really want to have a BMW. I really want.
that is where you guys come into picture.
Yeah, please help me buy a BMW. Oh god.
Yeah.
Do you guys, एक second, I just want to put it out. Do you guys watch Flying Beast? I mean, everybody is hooked up to Flying Beast and his channel is great. He gives out amazing content. When I say that I want to buy a car, is mostly because I'm inspired by that person. I mean, he got his BMW and it was amazing, guys.
Which one was it?
I do not really remember the class. I'm very bad with that class and BMW 5S class. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know that, but his car is white color ka BMW and it's gorgeous. It's a beauty, and I really want to buy a BMW now. I mean, I have always wanted to buy a luxury car. I would.
Why not try a Porsche? Or for rather, actually Jaguar or Jaguar. वो beyond BMW, Mercedes and Audi. मैं यहाँ पे वैगन आर उसको पहुँच नहीं पा रही हूँ तो कौन पहुँच Jaguar ले
Let's just say that I want to buy a car. I want to buy a luxurious car.
Yeah.
Let's keep it that. क्योंकि luxury बहुत सारी है. Coming to your wish. This was my wish. What is your wish?
You would agree to it, I guess. You have been trying to make me read at least a book.
I have. You know what? अगर मैं कभी मर गई ना और मेरी अगर क्या कभी ना कभी तो मैं मरूंगी, बट उनमें से एक चीज जो होगी, जो होने वाली है और मेरी शोक समाधि में आई विश कि कोई बोले, बिकॉज मैं इसके बाद ही मरूंगी. So I really wish that somebody sums up my life saying कि Trisha tried her level best not to buy a luxury car but actually to make Krati Agarwal read a book.
I for sure can buy a book, but reading a book is a very difficult task.
I'm so tired.
Yeah. I want to have my own house. I really want to have my own house.
We'll go to a toy shop. We'll buy a house for you.
And you are the one who's going to play with that toy.
Yeah.
This person loves toys.
What kind
Get
of
her
toys
as
do
many
I
toys as you can.
What?
जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना जिनको खिलौना दे दो और वो उसको तोड़ के उसका सत्यानाश कर देते हैं, ये अभी भी वही औरत है जो वही काम करती है. आई डू नॉट गाइस, अपना कोई भी कीमती सामान इसको मत देना, ये तोड़ के उसका सत्यानाश कर दे. लिटरली.
I want to go on a vacation to Cape Town. So I think चाहे वो हनीमून हो चाहे वेकेशन कर रहे हो, people
To go to Bali, to Bangkok, Thailand, Maldives, or to go somewhere beach hunting. हाँ.
but I never heard people say we are going to Cape Town for a vacation. It can be for people who are more rich or what do you say, have
पैसा.
पैसा. Yeah,
ये
that.
पैसा, ये पैसा, ये पैसा कैसा?
So I want to
You
go
want to
there.
go to-
Yeah. I want to live in a house. I want to stay there in front of a beach. There are houses in front of beach where you can just open it and you can just walk to the beach.
चलो के साथ में.
I can go with you.
We will go.
Yeah.
We are going to Cape Town someday.
So,
Yeah.
oh, please go ahead.
Okay. Next wish which I have is I want to buy one thing. क्या कहते हैं उसको? हर ब्रांड का, हर लग्जरियस ब्रांड का एक पीस. कपड़ा हो, बैग हो. I mean, not luxurious brand in the sense Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, and all of that. सिर्फ sunglasses नहीं, like something substantial, something क्या कहते हैं, एक पर्स या good purse or good
Boots.
shoes or good dress or something like
Yeah.
that. I want to have one, at least be able to buy one piece of all the luxury brands that are there. I want to, I have a bag. कैसे बोलते हैं उसको? Balenciaga. कैसे बोलते हैं?
Balenciaga.
Balenciaga होता है कि Siaga?
Balenciaga होता है.
Balenciaga.
Let us know. guys.
Balenciaga. Whatever. I want to have one of those. I want to have a Prada. I want to have a Gucci. I want to have a LV. मुझे ये 4 पसंद है.
बाकी तो फिर जब हम हो जाएंगे
जब हम अमीर हो जाएंगे
तो
तब हमें और
हम
पता चलेगा और हम तब हम और खरीदेंगे.
हाँ,
So I
exactly.
want to have one thing of every luxury brand.
I want to have assets. Now, what assets mean is, I want to invest in startups. I want to be a person who has enough money to invest in companies so that I don't have to earn, companies earn for me.
I got a rich friend in future.
So I think that is one wish that I really want to
Right?
accomplish.
I want to have a closet full of Sabyasachi sarees.
Why sarees?
I love sarees. I am in love with sarees.
Okay, I will give you one sari of Sabyasachi
पर पता है ना एक अच्छी साड़ी सब्यसाची की 60-70 हज़ार की रहती है.
and let me come to you. I will give you one Sabyasachi sari
हाँ.
in my wedding.
Aww, how cute is that?
I want to learn swimming.
Even I want to learn swimming.
Swimming is more of a, how to say, that way of becoming bold, I would say, for me. Maybe when I go to beaches, I would be able to do swimming. So yeah.
Oh, you got me that awe moment. I really want to create a lot of content, and also I want to meet all the famous people. जो देश की इकोनॉमी को आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
सिर्फ इंडियन लोगों से मिलना है, अब्रॉड वालों से भी मिलना है.
पहले मैं इंडिया तक तो पहुंच जाऊँ. I want to meet all the famous people who are there on the platform and who create some amazing content. Be it Tanmay Bhatt, be it Aishwarya Mohan Raj, be it Mostly Sale, be it Kusha Kapila, be it Dolly Singh, all of them. Be it Lily Singh. I mean, why not if I'm thinking about
But
it.
she's abroad.
I really want
अगर
to.
तुम लंच करोगी लिली सिंह के साथ, डिनर करोगी प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ, ब्रेकफास्ट करोगी तुम निक जोनस के साथ.
I want to meet all the famous people who are on the
ऐसा ही
platform. Shut up. I want to meet all the famous people who are on the platform and create some amazing content with them. That is one. And let's just say that I want to interview a lot of people. I don't know whether it will be for content or not, but I just want to interact. I just want to know how their journey really went. What was that about? And how they really got to where they are right now, what their struggles are, and all of these things. So it's a far-fetched dream, but I want to create a lot of content with a lot of amazing people, and I want to interview a lot of people. Because of content, not because of content, that I do not know, but yeah, I do want to do that. Your turn! Drawing करना बंद करो तुम.
ठीक है.
Guys, this is what is happening. Is it focus on? इस लड़की का नहीं हो सकता कुछ. Go. Shoot. Your.
I want to see places which are kind of different. For example, Bermuda Triangle. There is a place where two seas meet, and just wherever they meet, they have the same color, but as soon as they differ, they have a different color. I don't know where it is, but there is a place such as this. So I want to see that place. I want to do some adventures, life risk-taking adventures.
Like bungee jumping and skydiving sort of thing.
Kind of that, maybe. Yeah, possibly.
That is courage, man. I'm proud of you.
I'm not doing it. I
mean,
want to do it.
you want to do it,
Yeah.
but I am afraid of height. So
Yeah. I want to do these things.
write it. You gotta write it.
What should I write here? Adventure.
Adventure. I want to sponsor an education of a child. I really want to do that.
She's very rich. Okay, so now coming to unrealistic things. I think I'm not able to think more of
Realistic situation.
Yeah.
Let's go to unrealistic.
Yes.
Let's go to our dreamland.
So I want to see an alien. I want to see that whole movie effect where a spaceship जो होती है वो बाल को फाड़ के आती है वैसा वाला. So I want to see that. Yeah. You the jungle person or the Spock person? What is Spock? And I think I want to travel in a rocket to a moon or Mars. Right, Nita? That's not really too unrealistic. Going where we are going.
So, okay. I think it's safe to say that we are done with our wishes.
For now.
For now. Because अभी हमारी सोच इतनी ही है.
पहले इतना हो जाए उसके बाद.
इतना हो जाए, इससे बड़ा सोचने का अभी दिमाग नहीं है. Okay. Now comes कि हम अपने इस चैनल के साथ क्या करेंगे? क्योंकि हमारे पास कंटेंट की कमी है.
करेंगे.
ये करेंगे. हाँ, तो इसके अलावा भी हमें कुछ देना पड़ेगा ना. हम डेली ये तो नहीं कर सकते ना. तो हमारे पास पहली बात तो कंटेंट है नहीं. हमारे पास कुछ आइडियाज हैं जो हमारे दिमाग में हैं. अगर आप लोग के पास भी कोई आइडिया है या आप चाहते हैं कि हम कुछ करें या
Or if you want to collaborate with us.
we are available. हमारे से other than that, what we have thought is, Pradeep, do you have anything in mind? कि हम अपने इस चैनल के साथ क्या कर सकते हैं? व्लॉग की हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. हमारे में इतना अभी तक कॉन्फिडेंस है नहीं कि हम बाहर जाके व्लॉग कर सके. ट्राई पूरा करेंगे. We can have rants and discussions. Like, I know that मैं और Pradeep before this happened, both of us used to, हम लोग ना जब ये ऑफिस से रात को आती थी या मैं जब आती थी तो हम लोग हर रात को छत पे जाते हैं और हम किसी स्टूपिड से टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कशन करते हैं, which does not really make a lot of sense. बट अगर आप लोग भी ऐसे टॉपिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड है देन वी वुड लाइक टू शेयर दोस डिस्कशंस विद यू.
Maybe they can also ask questions to us.
Yeah, guys, questions to us, guys, please. पूछो.
We will give you a life history. Just ask
Just ask. Just
anything.
AMN. Now you will ask what AM is. Ask me anything. We can try cook-offs.
Yes.
I mean, कोई रेसिपी बताओ और हम उसको बनाने की कोशिश करें. माइक्रोवेव वाले मत बताना क्योंकि हमारा माइक्रोवेव अभी तक सेटअप नहीं हुआ. उसको पहले सेटअप करने में टाइम लगेगा. तो अभी माइक्रोवेव वाला कुछ बनाना. चूल्हे पे अगर कुछ बन सकता है तो बताओ, हम वो ट्राई कर सकते हैं. फेस ऑफ इज लाइक कंपटीशन बिटवीन टू पीपल. So we can have
Golgappa competition.
competitions.
You know, we can go and visit restaurants and all of that here. And I give reviews. Restaurant खाने का review. Restaurant and खाने का review. Or if you guys want us to explore places, please tell us ताकि हम explore कर सकें.
And do you have anything else to say?
I want to see how much further we can go. I want to see what interesting we can bring to the picture, because there are a lot of vlog people, there are a lot of content creators already out there. I want to see how much content we can bring in picture without being repetitive, I guess.
And being funny. I want us to be थोड़ा सा funny.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा not इतू से, it can be.
इतना सा?
We want to be funny. हमारा sense of humor बहुत ही गंदा है.
So finally, guys, let's hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best. That was us for now. Or please like, share, and subscribe because we really need it. Share us what you thought about this day's vlog on the comment section. And
Any questions that you might have, anything that
questions,
you
any
want us to
ideas,
discuss,
anything.
and if you want to hear stories from whatever.
Yeah, if you want
please.
to hear our stories, because we have got a lot of stories जो हम एक दूसरे को 100 बार सुनाते रहते हैं. We are very nostalgic people in that way. हमें nostalgia में जीने में बहुत मजा आता है.
This film is so good.
On that note, bye.
Do like us, subscribers.
Do like, share, subscribe,
Yeah.
and मिलते हैं
On Whimsically Us.
on whimsically us on Sunday. और अगर weekdays में हमें कुछ vlog content मिल गया तो definitely on weekday. But Sundays for sure. Do like, share, and subscribe.